This 2023 Tiffin Allegro Red 360-37 BA is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Tiffin is 38 feet 6 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a soft suede, shadow cab, Vicinity Tile interior, sleep 7, auxiliary battery, skylight, smoke detector, water heater, TV, air conditioning, TV antenna, leveling jacks, DVD player, oven, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2023 Tiffin Allegro Red 360-37 BA is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.